okay.
Ayan, hello everyone! Ayan.
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog! So, eto ngayon, papunta kami sa venue. Yes, mag-join kami ng Independence Day celebration. Ayan. So, I'm with Juanito, my sister, and oh, ganda. Juanito, smile. Eh?
Kita mo yung ngipin mo.
So, gamit na gamit yung kwan ko. Oy, ayusin mo yung kwan Ayan, so, excited na. So, alauna mag-start yung kwan, yung Antonio event. Pero, hindi natin alam kung 1 hour talaga, alauna talaga mag-start. Alam mo naman, Pinoy way, diba? So, ayan, bye everyone. I'm so excited. Ayun, first time ko talaga nakapag-kimono dito sa Shanghai. As in, first time ko na ganito. Galing pa to ng Pinas. Yes, kararating lang to kahapon. So, ayan. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, bye everyone. Yung makeup ko okay lang ba? Or hindi masyado?
Hindi.
Hindi daw okay. I hear it. Okay, bye! Later na.
Ikaw lang. Paano kami? Bye-bye.
Bye!
Agad sa mukha niya.
So, ayan. Andito na kami. Hi! So, ayan. Kuhan muna kami. Magpa-register muna. So, ayan ang mga Pilipina. Ayan. Si Nanay Dele. Hi, Kyle! Nice to see you again. So, ayan. So, dito tayo. Okay, dito? Okay.
Ano yan yung mga nakabili na ito yung bibili na.
Saan yung nakabili na? Okay, dito. Hi.
Kaya pala nag-post ka na sasayaw. Siguro sasayaw.
Hindi hindi ako sasayaw.
Or from the sky.
Hi, Nay. So, ayan.
Let's wander the islands of Coron, Palawan. Take a ride on the Paradise of Bliss that date back to the Jurassic era, leading down water.
Hi! Grabe!
Mamaya, rarampa.
Ay! Hindi pwede, hindi ba sayang mo?
There is a factor in your breath for the next virtual tour.
Let's wander the walled city of Manila.
All sponsors: Asphalt Shanghai Development Company Limited, Fiber Home, Shanghai View Harbor Construction Group.
For silver sponsors, we have Shanghai Bingfong Real Estate, Bella Fiesta,
127 Philippine Independence Day celebration here in the vibrant Shanghai. My name is Doms, and it is my honor to be with you today as we pay tribute to this pivotal moment in our nation's history. 127 years ago, June 12, 1898, the Filipino people declared our independence with unwavering courage and unity. And today, we gather not just to commemorate this moment, but to celebrate the enduring strength and the spirit of the Filipino identity.
Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Ako po si Rachel. It fills me with pride to stand here with all of you, our kababayans and friends, on this historic day. Though we may be far from the Philippines, our hearts remain close to home. This celebration reminds us that wherever we are,
and to officially begin our celebration, let us all stand as we join Tinin Pitas with the Pinoy Teachers Association in Shanghai in singing the Philippine National Anthem.
balikin mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisingin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bugaw, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang islat ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagdidinig, ang bituin at araw ng kailan pa may magdidilig. Lupa ng araw ng buwan, ay pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya naman, may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Michelle Michelle, Bagong Pinoy Community President, Mr. Mark Ranyes, Daiichi Electronics Shanghai General Manager, Ms. Li Mie Yi, mga mahal kong kababayan, Women de Jungbo Romeo, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon. Ako po ay nagagalak na makasama kayo at sama-sama nating ipagdiwang ang ika-127 anibersaryo ng ating kasalunan. Today, as we celebrate this milestone, we take time to reflect on our history, honor our identity, and share our culture with pride. The theme, Our Culture, Our Strength, captures the very essence of what brings us together, our shared past, our hopes for the future, and the strength of the Filipino spirit.
President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.
Ang galing. BBM.
Let's remember, by monuments stand by the heroic will of the people who have long known that freedom is not given, but chosen daily. It was on this day in 1898, in the modest town of Kawit, Cavite, when the air first thundered with the sound of our national anthem, and the folds of the Filipino flag were first unfurled in sovereign defiance. But independence, as our historians often remind us, did not descend like manna from heaven. It was won for all of us by countless brave men and women who offered everything they possessed, including their lives, so we could live with freedom and with dignity. And this is why independence must remain a living endeavor, not just to honor the heroic deeds of the past, but to recognize the continuing work of nation building. For the forces that once enslaved us, ignorance, inequality, indifference, do not vanish. Our task is now to free ourselves, not from empire, but from erosion within, to liberate our people from hatred, division, and apathy that threatens to undo the union that our forebears fought, bled, and died for. As our flags ascend, let our voices rise, let our hands labor, and communities unite, so we can turn this ceremony into the very work that sustains our freedom and builds our nation. For the Philippines, though proud and enduring, is now just realizing the full promise of its freedom. And we, her sons and daughters, are both her builders and her song. Each act of courage, each honesty, aligned in the story that we write together. Maligayang araw ng kasarinlan sa lahat. Mabuhay ang sambayan ng Pilipino, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
sing, sing, sing again.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
May paano sila yung triban.